The media files of your textbook can also be accessed without registering or purchasing a license key. To do this, search for the book you want on Elango and select it. When you scroll down, you will see all the available media under the tab Media Content for the Print Edition, where you can access them directly. Here you can filter by media type or go directly to the page you are looking for. Alternatively, you can open the sidebar here, which will display all the media content page for page. Simply click on the media file to open the media player, which you can use to play audio or videos directly in Elango. An interesting feature for language learners is the option to slow down or speed up the media files when playing them. By using the icon at the bottom right, you can reduce the size of the player so that it does not cover the page you are viewing during playback. If you are logged in on Elango, you can bookmark your media files by clicking on the bookmark so that you can quickly find them again later. With Elango, playing media files has never been easier.